Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this miniature haul from Megaconlive. So the first up is this t-shirt. This t-shirt was free for volunteering, so it's a Megaconlive slash Tokfest slash whatever other bits. I was doing a ticket exchange, putting wristbands on people. So first off, I got this. So cute Gudetama keyring. This was £4 from one of the stalls. Very cute in a little waffle thing. Next up was this £1 mystery bag, which in the mystery bag was this little lizard sticker that says, "May all of your bacon burn," and this cute pin, which is a mushroom with a face. Lastly, from one of the stalls, this is what the bag looked like. It says maybe. So this was both altogether £5. These prints. So it looked like this. Little heels, with a tail, and then this one with a knife. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. And please do comment below your experience with Megaconlive or your thoughts on Megaconlive. I will put the miniature vlog of Megaconlive slash Tokfest in the end screen. Thank you for watching.